remember me?
It's okay.
Hey, I am glad to see you too, bud.
He's not gonna eat your father.
How's the tail holding up? Probably could use some oil and a little fine tuning.
Look, it's okay.